Good morning from Mossel Bay. The weather is still foggy, but there is no wind. That means that the zipline is open. Zipline costs around 600 rands, which is $35. Let's go. The zipline was very great. Karina saw some dolphins from up above in the ocean. The zipline took 2 minutes to go all the way down. It's approximately 1 kilometer in length, so it's very fun. Yeah, this is a suggested activity.
It's really recommended.
Yeah, very recommended when you're in Mossel Bay. It's a must activity. Yesterday we walked here in the beach, and we've seen lots of people eating the ice cream inside the car, and we wonder why they're not eating outside on the bench looking at the sea. So today when we took the ice cream, and the pigeons, as you can see them up there, they just waiting for someone to chase, and they're chasing you to death. Look at them. It's a lot of pigeons. We're done here in Mossel Bay. Now we're going for a trip to Hermanus, 350 kilometers. Here we go. We made a stop on the way in a regular fuel station to have some fast food. And we found this beautiful lake with swans and everything. And looks like the locals celebrating some maybe a wedding, I guess.
Yeah, it looks like a wedding.
Yeah, it looks like a wedding. And this kind of stuff is special to see in a foreign country traveling. Look at that. Okay, this was a refreshing stop, and now we continue our way. Journey to Hermanus.
In the main lodge, you guys, there's little slips. You just fill in your name, room number, whatever you had. We'll enter that into the system to make checkout easier for you guys. Checkout is at 11, and then breakfast is in the breakfast room from 8 till 10.
And this is the room we got.
Looks wow.
Oh, the bathroom is lovely.
Wow.
You love it?
Really?
This is definitely a 5-star.
Oh, there's even a balcony.
Yeah. A private patio. Go.
For I think doors, maybe. It's really nice.
I think the parking is over there, behind this bush.